Once you try this banana matcha latte, you're going to want to make it every day. The natural sweetness and creamy texture of banana makes it one of the best ingredients to pair with matcha. In this video, we're going to show you how to make the perfect banana matcha latte, a creamy and refreshing drink that combines Japanese green tea with the smooth sweetness of a ripe banana. For this recipe, we're going to be using just a few simple ingredients. First, we're going to need one ripe banana. If the banana is ripe, it makes it sweeter and also easier to mash. We'll also need 1/2 cup oat milk, although you can also use almond milk, coconut milk, or whichever milk you like best. We're going to use 1/4 cup hot water, ice cubes if you're making an iced banana matcha latte, and finally 2 teaspoons of high quality latte matcha powder. But which matcha powder is best for your banana matcha latte? After meeting with dozens of matcha producers around Japan, we found the perfect matcha for lattes. It's produced without the use of pesticides or chemicals by Masuda En in Shizuoka. In 2015, Mr. Masuda won the Emperor's Cup, the most prestigious award for Japanese tea farming. With the demand for matcha being so high, he's not taking on any new clients. But luckily, we've been working with him for 10 years, so we've been able to secure a good supply. After touring their facility, we learned how this matcha is ground into the perfect texture for lattes, producing a smooth consistency that mixes evenly into the milk. It also has a bolder flavor that can shine through the other ingredients like oat milk and banana. The super premium ceremonial matcha is meant for plain drinking, and when you use it in a latte, it can sometimes be overshadowed by the other ingredients. If you want to try it for yourself, you can find the premium latte matcha powder on our website, neoteas.com. We also have dozens of matcha recipes on our blog if you want to explore, but for now, let's get back to our banana matcha latte. So the first step is to make the banana milk base. You'll want to peel one ripe banana and add it into a blender with 1/2 cup of oat milk. Like we said before, the riper the banana, the sweeter your banana matcha latte will be. So if you're using a very ripe banana, you may not need to add any extra sweetener. If you like your lattes on the sweeter side, you may want to add either 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or honey. Blend the matcha and oat milk together until completely smooth. This is what gives the banana matcha latte its creamy texture and natural sweetness. We can set this mixture aside for now. Next, we're going to prepare the matcha. Sift 2 teaspoons of premium matcha latte powder into a bowl to remove the clumps. You can then take 1/4 cup of hot water and add a tiny splash to blend the matcha into a paste. This makes it easier to smooth out the clumps before they end up in the final latte. Next, you can add the rest of the water in and whisk the matcha until it's smooth and frothy. Now it's time to assemble the banana matcha latte. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes and pour in your banana oat milk. Then you can slowly pour the whisked matcha on top to create a beautiful layering effect. If you pour the matcha slowly enough, it should sit nicely on top of the banana milk before gradually mixing in. Your banana matcha latte is now ready to serve. If you want to customize this banana matcha latte, there are a few different ways to do it. You can add a dash of cinnamon, nutmeg, or vanilla to give it a little more flavor. If you want to really enhance the flavor of this banana matcha latte, you can experiment with some of our premium matcha powders. After traveling around Japan for the past few years, we've met with dozens of farmers and sampled hundreds of different matcha teas. These matcha all have slightly different flavor profiles, which can completely change up the taste of your latte. For example, when we were meeting with the matcha producers in Yame, we learned that by applying additional heat in the drying of the leaves, the producers can impart a warmer and nuttier flavor into the matcha. This slightly roasted flavor is called hika, and it's the perfect complement for this banana matcha latte. You can find these Yame matcha on our website, neoteas.com. And if you like this banana matcha latte recipe, we would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to see more matcha recipes in the future. Until then, we'll see you next time.